Alright, so today we're gonna be showing y'all how we made $1,000 today on NQ or MNQ. So let's get into it. Alright, as you can see, $1,000. Hit a little refresh. But I did trade MNQ. The only reason was because just like bigger stop loss, I guess. Like I have more space. I traded 4 contracts on MNQ. If it was on NQ, that would have been like shit. I think like $2,000 stop loss, and my account was $2,000. So why would I risk my whole account on one trade? You know what I mean? But with MNQs, like, damn, I used to think MNQs were like gay and shit, and like you shouldn't use it and shit. Oh, let me remove that flag. You don't want to get strike by Benjamin Netanyahu. But yeah, let's break down this trade, bro. So off rip, what do we see? This 4 hour right here, this 4 hour candle. We don't have a wick, right? So I'm looking at that, right? As well as I saw this 4 hour fair value gap right here, which I guess it didn't tap, but almost did, right? And the 1 hour, we have liquidity above here, and what you'll notice is like this area is like look, it's like a resistance, right? It's like every time a price goes up there, it goes back down. Every time it goes up, it's like so, just naturally, right? Right. So we go down to the 5 minute. We had this sweep after market open, right? This market open swept this, and then it inverses this 5 minute fair value gap. So I'm thinking, okay, beautiful, right? Now, what you could have entered off was this rejection block, but what I like to do, since I was trading MNQ and I had a bigger like point stop loss, I just entered right off this inverse fair value gap. Entered off this inverse fair value gap right here, and then right here was my break even. Why? Because it was a 5 minute the fair value, a CE of it, right? And I took off 2 contracts right there, and I was gonna hold sell like right here, but price was just chopping, and I'm not gonna lie, I did kind of get scared a little bit. Price was just chopping, and then I got scared a little bit, so I just decided to bail out for what, $1,000 profit. You know, just to secure stuff, right? So yeah, I went break even right here. Took off 2 cons, and the reason why I went break even is because we had the swing high here, right? So obviously I know that price, if this trade is valid, it's not gonna go above that, right? So that's why I went break even right there. And as you can see, it respected it, and TP did hit. So that was beautiful for a 1 to 2.2 RR. Some like easy, simple, you know. But yeah, that's how I made $1,000. So maybe Monday we're gonna request the payout if I don't mess up, right? So from now on, I'm just gonna play this account safe, bro. Deadass. I'm just gonna play it safe.